everyone, I'm Elfychan. Today I'm excited to share an intriguing topic with you: game design. We'll chat about legendary figures in the gaming world and essential concepts in this field. If you're interested in games or dream of becoming a game developer, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive together into the enchanting world of game design. Firstly, what is game design? It's an art and science that involves the creative process behind games, including crafting mechanics, writing stories, and shaping player experiences. Numerous influential figures have made their mark in this field. You might have been captivated by Shigeru Miyamoto's creation of iconic characters like Mario or explored Hideo Kojima's cinematic gaming experience. Additionally, let's emphasize the importance of creating a game design document, GDD. A GDD is a guide that assists in laying the foundation for a game. It encompasses crucial details such as the game's theme, story, mechanics, graphics, and sound design. This document is a critical piece for planning and developing a game, fostering a shared understanding within the team. Of course, knowing prominent names in the field is also essential. The legendary games created by Shigeru Miyamoto, Hideo Kojima's cinematic approach, Sid Meier's strategy games, each represents different facets of game design. If you're eager to take a step into the gaming world and explore game design, acquiring more knowledge and gaining experience is crucial. Remember, there's a game designer within each of us. In fact, some elements in games like FRP, role-playing games, can aid in enhancing your game design skills. Let me share these elements with you. Story and character development. FRP games allow players to create their characters and navigate them through a story. This can enhance fundamental skills used in game design, encouraging players to design characters interestingly and consistently. Player experience. FRP games enable players to immerse themselves in another world and create their own stories. This provides game designers with strategies to pull players into a game and engage them further. Communication and collaboration. FRP games often promote communication and collaboration among players. Interactions, collaborative story creation, and problem solving are common, inspiring game designers to develop mechanics focused on player interaction and collaboration. Lastly, I'll talk about elements that should be present in a game design document and always pose questions, fostering curiosity. This document includes the fundamental features, story, mechanics, and other essential details of your game. Here are some key points to consider when creating a GD. Game's core concept. What is the main theme of the game? Story and characters. What is the game's story? Game mechanics. How will players interact? What are the main mechanics of the game? How will difficulty levels increase as the game progresses? Graphics and sound design. What is the visual style of the game? Game world and level design. What kind of world does the game take place in? What are the different areas within the game? Technical details. On which platforms will the game run? Marketing and target audience. Who is the target audience for your game? What are your marketing strategies? Financial planning. What is the budget for the development process? Remember, a GDD can be a crucial tool for developing your game and ensuring communication within the team. However, it should remain flexible and be updated throughout the development process. Practical experience and continuous feedback are also vital in game design. If you enjoy this type of content and want more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. As long as you support me, I'll continue creating quality content for you. Also, keep in mind that being a 3D artist doesn't only mean creating models. Being knowledgeable in various areas provides ideas on how we can contribute to our games or projects. Information should always be the most crucial part of a person. Living with this understanding will make knowledge the essential element of human nature.